When a farmer is unwell or is seriously injured, in addition to physical suffering, they may suffer loss of income. There can also be cost of travel and accommodation to access medical treatment, which could be some distance away. The farm family can struggle, as family members, including children, care for the farmer and are called upon to step up and keep the farm running, sometimes putting themselves at risk by tackling work or operating equipment that is beyond their ability. Livestock can also suffer if their food and animal husbandry requirements are not provided. Crops fail, and machinery and infrastructure repairs and maintenance are put off, increasing the risk of accidents to everyone on the farm. Rural communities can suffer the loss of a volunteer and leaders in key organisations such as school councils, fire authorities and agricultural shows, as farming men and women are pivotal to these community organisations. A small community can really suffer a measurable loss of capacity to function if a farmer becomes unwell or is seriously injured.